What is up, guys? Today we are at Joshua's workshop and his staff doing the Saga repair. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna change the tie rod and the rack end of the Saga. And what I'm gonna do today as well, I'm gonna race with one of his staff who's gonna be faster. Who do you bet is gonna be faster?
My staff lah.
Yeah, man, you underestimate me. Anyways, we're gonna change the tie rod and rack end. Where's the tie rod and rack end? So this is the tie rod end and the rack end, one set together with the boot. So the staff say the one who's gonna challenge me, boss themselves. They wanna see who's gonna be faster. Bos lawan ya. Siapa laju? Bos kah aku laju? Tok easy game tak. So we gotta change it. Yeah. So gonna race with Joshua, who's gonna be faster changing the tie rod, and the tie rod everything is over here. So he's gonna be faster, you only. Not sure. It's very blur. Morning bread. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yo. Dang, man. See my neighbor? Yes, sir. Need lubrication. You know, like certain stuff you also need lubrication or something, right? Time. Yeah. I don't blame Joshua. Joshua had the jam. Dude, you had a jam. Not I had a stupid problem. I won Joshua by only one. Nobet. Menang bos. Kalah bos. So I got my boot, my rack end in. So the new tie rod end and the rack end is in, and together the boot. But then sadly my steering rack is leaking. So you can see new boot and everything. This is the old rack end. The difference between a spoil rack end. Look. And apparently my right rack end is still good. Look, so stiff. But screw it, just change. As for the tie rod end, it's very flimsy already. So that means screwed. But yeah, I won on my tie rod end and rack end install. Kalah bos. Kalah. Having fun fixing the Saga, since the staff gets to evaluate the work. So they say they want to see both sides and evaluate our work, which is interesting. They can be the judge as well for their own boss. That's funny. But then the boss now using his staff, but then I had a lot of help on his staff also lah. I cannot complain. The staff gave me a lot of tips. When you change your own tie rod and rack end, it's not that hard. Just need the right tools. Quite tricky, but then it's a lot easier because of the jack right now. Okay. Ini judging lah tu apa masalahnya?
Taruh end, naik kunci.
Aduh. Tiu, cek sebelah lo. Aku pun apa macam test lo. Cek lo. Inspection.
Okay lo. Sebelah okay.
I'm a certified staff. Not bad, right? I'm quite fast, Joshua. Personal opinion on the film.
Hah? Okay lah.
Because I'm not as fast as your staff lah. Your staff is very fast.
They are fast.
But don't misunderstand, Dream Wheels is still very good because the staff is very professional. You guys have to understand, I fought with the boss. Their staff is actually good. So for those of you who still want to come here, the workshop is still good because the staff is still very professional. So now they're gonna straighten the tie rod end on both sides to make the tire both straight. The staff. Sengit kali main lurus. Sengit ke kanan. Now Joshua's staff Matthew is adjusting my steering because after adjusting the tie rod and the rack end straight, the steering is not straight. So now he's adjusting steering. So yes, we have done installing the tie rod end and the rack end. Just that now the car has to do a bit of alignment, but we haven't done that yet. But then the car feels a lot sharper compared to before. The staff has tested the car and centralized the steering so that the steering is not like too slanted. Is it called slanted? To sengit lah. So they have fixed that, and yeah, obviously I won against Joshua. Luckily I didn't go against the staff because the staff is bloody fast. I can tell you, his staff is really good. I mean, he's the boss for a reason lah. He has to do all the managing of the shop, and basically all the physical fixing work is mostly on the staff. So yeah, that is all about the Saga. Nothing too serious, so we're gonna test out the new tie rod end and the rack end at the track when this weekend, because it's been raining the past few days, so we're not gonna test it out yet. So I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
She lays down next to me, and she